Hey guys, welcome to Mama Loop. This is Lubna. Today we will make Keto Nutella. Let's make it. For this we need 1 cup of hazelnuts. Roast the hazelnuts on medium heat for 7 minutes. Stir constantly. If you are using an oven, bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until golden. Once roasted and cooled, rub the hazelnuts together in your hands to remove the skins. Add them to a food processor and process the nuts until they turn into a creamy hazelnut butter. Once the hazelnuts are ground, add 3 tablespoons Monkfruit sweetener or sweetener of your choice, 2 tablespoons cacao powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons olive oil or oil of your choice. If you want it more runny, add more oil. Blend until thick and smooth. This may take several minutes, so be patient. Scrape down the sides of the food processor periodically during the blending process. Pour into a jar and let it cool down and refrigerate up to 2 months. Spread on low carb bread and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.